welcome back to my channel. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am reviewing and swatching all of the Kay Beauty eyeshadow crayons today for you guys. I'm actually wearing one of them on my eyes right now. You will see that in the tutorial portion of this video. I'm so excited because these are amazing and there are so many beautiful shades for all of us. I have all of the shades right here with me, and I've used like 3 of these to create the eye look that I am wearing right now. But if you are like a minimal kind of girl, then you can definitely just put any one of them on your eyelid and it'll look really beautiful. So there are 12 metallic shades in this collection and 8 matte shades in this collection. I think I'm so blown away, especially by the mattes, because these blend so amazingly, even above powder. Like, I was wearing powder on my eyelid and these blended like so well, and they're a cream product because they're like a crayon, and when you like swipe them across and blend them, they blend so easily and quickly. It is actually like glam on the go. And one thing that I especially loved is that there are so many shades of brown here. There's like the lightest kind of beautiful transition-y brown, and then there is like a black, and there's a darker brown. So there's tons of shades for you guys to choose from. You can create like a full-on glam look like I did today, or you can just go ahead and use one shade to like swipe over your lid and give yourself like a pop of color or just some definition, because you can do that as well. They retail for 600 rupees, which I think is a more affordable price point considering they're an eyeshadow crayon, and many of the ones that are available in the market are like higher than this. So I really appreciate the price point on these. I was like totally drawn to the green one today, and I hadn't done a green makeup look in a while, so I was like, today is the day, because the green shade, it's called Jaded Glow, the one that I'm wearing right now, is what dreams are made of. If you like colorful kajals and colorful eyeshadows, you are going to absolutely love this. And you don't have to wear like I'm wearing all over. You can just do some on your lower lash line or just do some on the top and not do it on the bottom. There are like no limits. There are endless possibilities to what you can do with so many different eyeshadow sticks. They last really long. They don't crease on me at all. To me, it's just like wearing a regular eyeshadow because they're not creasing on me at all. I don't feel like creaminess or don't find any creases, and I do not have oily eyelids, so they last really well on me like all day. I haven't had a problem with like fading or wiping away because they do set, and if I rub my finger on my lid right now, it's not like anything's gonna come on my finger because it's not like it's gonna slide off of your face. It's gonna stay put, and you have a little bit of time to blend them after you apply them, but they are gonna set in place and you're not gonna be able to move them after that, which is a good thing because that means they're not gonna slide off your face. So if you want to blend them, you want to work fairly quickly, but it's not like it's just gonna set right there and not give you time to blend. You will have enough time to blend them. I think that's all I wanted to say. I'm also wearing a Kay Beauty lipstick. This is Playback. You will see that in the tutorial. So please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. It means so much to me. You guys are everything. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Let's move on to the tutorial now. Okay, so let's start. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I know there are some amazing colors that I want to use. There are tons of amazing brown shades, and then there are pops of colors like greens and blues and burgundies. I'm going to start with this shade called Bliss. It's this beautiful light brown kind of shade. This is going to be my transition. Even though this is meant to be like a quick on-the-go, glam on-the-go makeup look, I still want to create something glam because I want to show you that you can achieve a really beautiful glam look with these, and it's going to be super easy. So I am going to pop that right over here and just make a little V outside. And taking like a firm blender brush, I'm just gonna blend that out. Look at that, it blends so easily, so quickly. I feel like I can take this color a little higher up because I want you to be able to see this color. And I'm just gonna blend that now. It just blends so easily, it's like the best. And I have already primed my eyes. I just use my concealer and my powder to prime, and they're blending really beautifully over powder as well. Okay, I really like that transition shade. It's looking so flawless and super blended. I'm gonna take this deeper brown called Revel. And that is basically gonna go in the same place. Blend, blend, blend. Super quick and easy. And now you could deepen it if you want, because I have deeper colors as well that would look really nice, but I want this to be the star of the show. This is in the shade Jaded Glow, and just look at this beautiful glimmery color. The sticks that I've used are matte. This one is a shimmer, so I think I just want to put this all over my lid and just make this the hero, because this is such a beautiful shade. So I'm just gonna pop that basically all over the lid. Don't be afraid, just put it on there. Now I'm gonna take a flat brush like this and just help blend the edges. Oh my god, I absolutely love how that color looks, you guys. And once the look is complete and you have lashes on and everything, it's just gonna look so beautiful. Honestly, I can't get over that blend. Like, how beautiful does that blend look? Especially because they're cream products and they blend so beautifully over powder. I'm going to take the Kay Beauty Kajal now. This is the one that you can smoke out. Comes with a smudger in the end. And I'm just going to apply that right on my upper lash line. So I'm just gonna do my other eye, apply my lashes, do my face and come back. Okay, so I'm back with basically a full face, and this is what the finished look is looking like. I'm obsessed. I think the green is such a beautiful color. It's such a bold statement. So I'm gonna do my lower lash line. I'm taking the shade Revel. Just put that on my lower lash line, not going like in my waterline, just putting it on the lower lash line like that. And you just wanna like smudge that in and spread that out a little. Now of course I'm gonna go into Jaded Glow, and that is going right in my waterline, and I'm also just spreading it a little below the waterline as well, because I do want to smudge it out. And now we're gonna smudge that out. I gotta apply lots of mascara on my lower lash line. For my lips, I'm gonna line them with Hype lip liner from Kay Beauty. Now for lipstick, I'm taking Kay Beauty Playback. And that is it for the tutorial portion of this video. How did you guys like this look? Leave your comments in the comments down below. I would love to hear it from you guys. I am going to go ahead and swatch all of the shades for you guys now. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. It would mean so much to me. You can also click the bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I have a new video up. Do remember to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out my Instagram for lots more fun content. I post tons of makeup tutorials on IGTVs, styling videos, fashion posts, tons of giveaways going on as well. So check out my Instagram and let's move on to the swatches.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, my heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. Feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying?